803 species in genus Eucalyptus. Exploring the world of eucalyptus. I first encountered eucalyptus while hiking through the Australian outback. The scent of the leaves lingered in the air, a fresh, almost medicinal aroma that felt like a natural remedy. Over the years, my interest in this remarkable genus grew. Today, I'm excited to share what I've learned about eucalyptus, from its fascinating biology to its wide range of uses. Whether you're a gardener, a plant enthusiast, or simply curious, this article will guide you through the world of eucalyptus. A brief overview of eucalyptus. Eucalyptus belong to the Myrtaceae family, is a genus of over 800 species of trees and shrubs, native to Australia. They're not just the iconic symbols of the Australian landscape, but also widely cultivated in other parts of the world. These trees are known for their distinctive bark, leaves, and flowers, all of which have practical and aesthetic value. Eucalyptus trees are evergreen, and many of them can grow into large, towering trees that can reach over 100 feet. Some species, however, remain smaller and more shrub-like. In my experience, one of the most fascinating aspects of eucalyptus is its adaptability. Some species thrive in dry, arid environments, while others flourish in more temperate climates. Their resilience is a testament to their evolutionary success. I've always been fascinated by the eucalyptus. It's a genus of incredible diversity, boasting over 800 species, most of which are native to Australia. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Is eucalyptus oil safe for dogs? I've found that eucalyptus oil is generally safe for dogs when used in moderation, but I always err on the side of caution and consult my vet before using it around them. What does eucalyptus smell like? The scent of eucalyptus reminds me of a refreshing forest after rain, with a strong, clean aroma that instantly clears the sinuses. Is eucalyptus toxic to cats? From what I've observed, eucalyptus can be quite toxic to cats, so I avoid using it in areas they frequent. Can you grow eucalyptus indoors? I've had some success growing eucalyptus indoors, but it does need a lot of light and space to really thrive. Does eucalyptus need water? Eucalyptus requires regular watering, but I've learned that it's important not to overdo it. Letting the soil dry out between waterings seems to work best. How do you spell eucalyptus? I've never had trouble spelling eucalyptus after a few reminders. It's one of those words that just sticks with practice. How to make eucalyptus oil. Making eucalyptus oil at home is a fun project. I use a steam distillation process with fresh leaves to get a pure, aromatic oil. Is eucalyptus good firewood? In my experience, eucalyptus is excellent firewood. It burns hot and long, which makes it perfect for cozy winter nights. What color is eucalyptus? Eucalyptus generally has a grayish-green color with a touch of silver, which looks quite beautiful in a garden setting. Does eucalyptus repel spiders? I've noticed that eucalyptus can help deter spiders, especially when its leaves are hung around the house. Does eucalyptus repel fleas? I've used eucalyptus to repel fleas and found it somewhat effective, though I always pair it with other methods for best results. Does eucalyptus repel roaches? In my home, eucalyptus oil doesn't do much to keep roaches away. I've had better luck with other insect repellents. How to preserve eucalyptus? To preserve eucalyptus, I hang the branches upside down in a cool, dry place. This helps maintain their color and fragrance for quite a while. Is eucalyptus wood good for outdoor furniture? Eucalyptus wood has been great for my outdoor furniture. It's durable and stands up well to the elements. Is eucalyptus a perennial? I've learned that eucalyptus is indeed a perennial, which means it keeps coming back year after year in my garden. Do you put eucalyptus in water? I often put eucalyptus in water to help keep the leaves fresh for arrangements, and it seems to help them last longer. Is eucalyptus a hardwood? Eucalyptus wood is definitely considered hardwood, which makes it a solid choice for furniture and flooring. What is eucalyptus tea good for? I've enjoyed eucalyptus tea for its soothing properties, especially when I'm feeling under the weather. It has a nice, calming effect. Do mice like eucalyptus? Mice don't seem particularly attracted to eucalyptus in my experience. I've used it as part of a broader strategy to keep them at bay. Does eucalyptus repel ants? Eucalyptus oil does a decent job of repelling ants. I've used it in a spray and noticed fewer ants in areas where it's applied. How to make a eucalyptus wreath. Making a eucalyptus wreath is a creative project. I use a wire frame and fresh eucalyptus stems, which makes a lovely, aromatic decoration. What colors go with eucalyptus green? Eucalyptus green pairs beautifully with neutrals like gray and white, as well as earthy tones like taupe and beige. When is eucalyptus in season? Eucalyptus is usually in season during the cooler months, which is when I find it most readily available for my needs. Why is my eucalyptus plant crispy? If my eucalyptus plant is crispy, it's often a sign of underwatering or too much direct sunlight. Adjusting its care usually helps revive it. Can I put eucalyptus oil in my bath? I've added eucalyptus oil to my bath for a refreshing, invigorating experience that also helps clear up any congestion. Can you smoke eucalyptus? Smoking eucalyptus is something I've tried. It produces a unique, woody aroma, but it's not something I do regularly due to its intensity. Do pandas eat eucalyptus? Despite popular belief, pandas don't eat eucalyptus. They prefer bamboo, which is their primary diet. How long do eucalyptus trees live? Eucalyptus trees can live for a very long time. Some varieties can easily surpass 100 years, making them quite a long-lived addition to any landscape. Eucalyptus versus teak. Comparing eucalyptus to teak, I've found eucalyptus's rapid growth and lightweight make it a practical choice for quick landscaping projects, while teak's durability and rich color have made it my go-to for long-lasting outdoor furniture. Eucalyptus versus menthol. When using eucalyptus and menthol, I appreciate eucalyptus for its broader, more versatile applications in both aromatherapy and cleaning, while menthol's intense, refreshing kick has been particularly effective for relief in muscle rubs and cold remedies. Eucalyptus versus peppermint. In my experience, eucalyptus offers a more subtle, rounded scent that's perfect for diffusers and respiratory relief, whereas peppermint delivers a sharp, invigorating aroma that's fantastic for boosting energy and mental focus. Eucalyptus versus tea tree. Eucalyptus has been my choice for soothing colds and adding a pleasant aroma to my space, but tea tree oil's stronger antibacterial properties make it my go-to for treating blemishes and disinfecting surfaces.